the latest on the blizzard. Vineland has declared a state of emergency. Everyone is to stay home from 12 a.m. Saturday, which was early this morning, till 12 a.m. Sunday. Anybody who dares to go out in the blizzard and get stuck will be towed away and ticketed by police. Look at this. Look, I mean, it's getting deeper. We got wind out here. And it's about 6 inches deep now. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, this is really deep, man. The wind's blowing. Wow. And that is one heck of a storm. Wow. It's already about 6 inches deep. So it's pretty deep, man. You can see my solar light there. See the snow stacked up here and here on my solar light. So, beautiful, isn't it? They say this could be a record, the biggest storm since 1922 in the Northeast.